Hey guys, back with Aaron's 59 Ford Fairlane. It is currently about 4:45 in the morning, so I'm kind of losing my mind. Thought I'd get in and do some cleaning. So we pulled the old junction, and the new junction's going up by the master cylinder, way up there. So the old brake lines would never reach, so we've got to redo them. And one of them also broke, so we'd have to redo that one anyways. And of course, the one that broke is the one going from there all the way back there. So I did pull yesterday. I did pull the front left brake line. I've disconnected the front right on both sides. I just gotta actually pull it out of the car. And same with the brake line going all the way to the rear to the differential. It is disconnected, as you can see right there. I've just gotta follow that and somehow pull it out, because we've got to make new brake lines. The transmission is done. Dipstick's back in. It's all bolted up. It's stuck down. New gasket, new filter. Hopefully shouldn't leak anything. The oil is completely drained. We've got a new filter on there. Pretty white filter. The drain plug is tightened again. I've done that once where I forgot to put the drain plug in and I started putting oil. And we just have to put oil in it, and then we'll put transmission fluid in it when we have the drive shaft and yoke back in and everything, because currently the drive shaft is over there, because you guys saw that it was cracked, and yeah, not cool. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys soon. I'm gonna work on pulling that brake line and put oil in it. All right, guys, so we have all of the brake lines out now. So that's front left, front right, and then the one going to the back is in about 85 different pieces, because why would it come out without a fight? So just a quick little update here, because I had a pretty long video last time. We're just gonna clean up now, clean up the mess that I made, and then we're gonna start making new ones to put back in.
Sweet cheeks.
Helicopter.
Oh, no. All right, so this guy. We have our bracket bolted to our master. So this is kind of to mock it up on how it's going to be on the car, because first order of business, we're going to build these two lines here: rear, front. These are inlets. See, front inlet, focus, damn it, front inlet, rear inlet. And before, they were just using the front down to the factory T, and this was capped, which is idiocy. Absolute idiocy. So, we're going to build these lines, because the kit did come with some lines, but they really don't want to jive. And the one for here is too short, obviously, but this one was close, but we're just going to build our own, because they'll be nicer, and that's what we want. So we want it nice. So, we'll get those together, get this all situated and nice and pretty and perfect. Then we'll take these bolts out, which Xander had to drill these spacers out, because our studs are on the booster on this car is a little bit bigger. So once we have this connected and nice, we'll put this back on the car, and then we can start building front out, front out. It doesn't matter which one goes left, which one goes right. So we'll do whichever one's closer.
Yeah.
Whatever one's easy. Don't pull away. I'm not done yet. No, don't take it away yet. Don't take my toy away. So we'll get left front, right front, build those lines, one line to the rear, and then there's a pinch in the left rear line on the rear end housing. So I'll build one of those. Oh, you already pulled it?
Yeah.
Oh.
There.
Yeah. So easy enough. That's easy enough to make. I'll make one of those real quick. And that's it. Thank you, sir. We're going to get started.